What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. As you can see, I'm just here enjoying the day, and I thought I would make a video about the Citi Custom Cash credit card, an unboxing video for you guys. I just received this card a few days ago. I was constantly checking every day in the mail just to receive this card. This card is going to be my primary grocery card, so I was just constantly waiting for this card to come in the mail, and it has finally come. I kind of opened it up a little bit just because I wanted to block out a little bit of my information. And yeah, let's get right into it. So as we are going to begin the unboxing, it pretty much just comes in a white envelope. There's nothing really important here, but I'm excited to open it up. Here it goes. So this is pretty much the front page, your information and some account information. They approved me for $6,800 as a starting credit limit with a cash advance limit of $2,100. All right, so this is pretty much the first page that you will see. And as I open it up, Citi, it's all about you with the Citi Custom Cash card. So, woo! And at the bottom it says earn 5% cash back on your purchase in your top eligible spending category up to $500, 1% cash back, and it's a no annual fee credit card. So that is pretty nice. So as I begin to flip it open and turn over to the back, this is what you guys have been waiting for. The Citi Custom Cash credit card. Ooh, this thing is nice. It's plastic. It is a MasterCard, but it looks very beautiful, very nice. 5% back on that gas sounds really nice. But yeah, this is pretty much just how the card looks. I'm going to take out the card so you guys can kind of see it a little bit better. But this is pretty much the card. Plastic, but really looks beautiful. Beautiful, nice blue. It's reflective. I mean, it's plastic, but yeah, it looks really nice. It's a really, really nice card. All right, so as I continue with the unboxing, so pretty much this is just how to activate your card. You can either activate it on the phone, or you can download the app and activate it through there. And that's pretty much what this page has. Now the next page that you will have in your envelope will be pretty much the facts and interests and fees. This is pretty much just your introductory period that it talks about, 0% for 15 months, and then after that it'll be 19.99% for me. And it pretty much just tells you what your cash advance fee is and so on. And then on the back it talks about, you know, what other fees that you can accumulate, like your transaction fees, like balance transfers, cash advances, foreign purchase transactions, and if you are late, how much you would have to pay for that as well. So, I mean, that page is pretty self-explanatory. The next page that you will receive is your credit report and the price you pay for your credit. So this is pretty much just showing you what credit bureau Citi pulled and what information they received from you. So I applied in March. They pulled Equifax, and my credit score was a 777 at the time of when I applied. So that is pretty much just this paper here, pretty much what bureau they've pulled and what your credit score is. All right, so the next page that will come in your envelope will be your credit card agreement guide, which is pretty much just a front and back agreement about 14 subjects, which are about your definitions, your account information, your annual percentage rates and interest rates. They also talk about your fees in foreign currency conversions, your payments, authorized users, or suspending your account, credit reporting, account information, transactions, arbitration, agreement, miscellaneous, and your billing rights. And that's pretty much what this whole page, all of these pages here are explaining. But the highlight of this video that I really want to emphasize is this card. This card is really, really nice. It's a beautiful card, 5% back on your top eligible spending category. So I'm very excited about this card because I've been holding off on buying groceries because I wanted to get that 5% back. This will be my primary grocery card. This card is very, very nice. It will be in my wallet for a very long time. If, like I said in my previous video, that if my Chase Freedom Flex is not offering 5% back at grocery stores, I'm going to use my Citi Custom Cash card. But this is pretty much just an unboxing video of what came in the envelope and the card itself. If you guys want to know a little bit more about the Citi Custom Cash credit card, check out my last video, and I will also put a link up at the top and in the description so you guys can kind of click and watch that video, which gives a more in-depth of what 5% back you could possibly receive and just an overview of the credit card. Well guys, thanks for joining me on this day doing the unboxing of this beautiful Citi Custom Cash credit card. And if you found this video helpful, enjoyable, likable, smash that like button and subscribe down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.